Hi everyone, Archana here. As I promised, I am here with two more kits which are shabby chic kits. So currently we are into very much festive theme, but some people are not into festive theme. So I thought I will just create two different kits for them who like to play with some other themes than festival themes. So I have this collection which is by Maja Design called Miles Apart. And as you all know, Maja Design papers are very pretty, beautiful, very much thick quality, and they are costly. Anyway, because they are so pretty, it's worth to pay. I agree. So I just wanted to show you all the papers first because they are so pretty. My favorite papers currently. Get these papers out because I have added solid papers, monochromes as well. So first we will check our designer papers and then I'll show you monochromes. So you all can see very light, very beautiful colored designs, and back side. Wow, so cute. I like these colors, very pretty. And look at these, very nice sage green and very light pink color and very light beige colored papers. So cute and very high quality papers, I can tell that. And backside has these demasks, and this page has small design, very cute. Backside has this flood, and then this one has some kind of like leaves and kind of like mixed media type page. And backside has this one. I'm glad they have this kind of pattern papers, so we needed this kind of papers, right? And then this one has very cute small flowers, and backside has the damask image, and this one has very nice hydrangea and roses. Backside has this damask, and then we have this image. And then backside has this scripted one, so cute. And then this one, so cute, very pretty image, very pretty papers and images, and colors are so pretty. And look at this one, that's what it's called, Miles Apart. Definitely we are missing our grandparents, parents. For me, my parents, I'm missing looking at these images. I feel like I'm miles apart from them. So cute, colors are very pretty. And then this one has this old looking building and hot air balloon, and this one has very cute something saying, having somewhere to go is home, having someone you love is family, having both is a blessing. My goodness. And it says be safe. Very emotional thing. And this one has all these hot air balloons, and backside is like this. And this one has all cute leaves, so cute, right? And backside, I love this kind of green color, very nice sage green. And this one, I love these pattern papers, very cute, very nice color. And then this one has this paper, blue with all pink and white roses, and backside has this one. And so many papers we have, right? I haven't even count how many are they. So cute image here, so pretty. And then the mask image in bluish color, this one. Oh, I like these pages, so pretty. And then this one has all these cards and some images, so cute. This paper collection is very pretty. And we have 6 of the monochromes, which goes well with this one, which is a part of this collection by Maja Design. So we have these pattern papers. And then since I found some of the matching cards, I have included in this kit, you can see. So these 4 cards. These frames might be different in each kit, but they are pretty similar. And then I have added this Prima package, which has roses and all, very cute. And then I have added this white floral bouquet, because I don't want to take away the softness of this collection, so I added white flowers. And we have these chipboard pieces. I'll show you, they are very pretty, by Stamp Magia. And I also have added this very soft colored seam binding. And I have added this door window, and it is pretty big. And then we have this frame which has roses on both sides. This can be your front cover page, so pretty, very beautiful. And this is our miles apart kit, very pretty, very shabby chic kit, so please check it out. And I also do have individual papers available if you don't want the kit, but you are interested in these papers. I have them available. And also we have a 6x6 paper pad available as well. And I'll show you our next kit, which is by Minte, and this kit called Homemade. And the colors are amazing, so pretty. Means I am in love with this collection as well, because you can see it is homemade and it is shabby. So again, 3-piece set is here, and we have 6x6, 12x12 and 12x12 sticker sheets. You can see this one says family stories. So this kit is meant for really beautiful album where you can showcase your family stories using all these sentiments and images. So pretty. It has so many things. You can see siblings, grandparents, storybook, our memories. Very nice. Mom and dads, easy living. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. And it says home is the starting place of love, hope and dreams, and simple moments makes great memories. So true. Very cute, very pretty. Both kits are very emotional kits for me. I don't know why, but they are. So here is 12 by 12 paper pad, and again you can see this bonus sheet back of this page right here, and you can see all these things like these rings, embroidery hoops, very cute. I can't wait to open the 6 by 6 paper pad. I'm going to show you all the pages, but before that I'll show you I have added these very soft colored roses, since this kit has all the roses. So I thought this whole bouquet is really pretty to create your front page. And then I have several chipboard pieces. Yes, in this tiny pack you are getting several chipboard pieces. And I have added very soft colored pink. Usually I use little bit darker pink in my shabby chic kits, but this collection's beauty is its softness. So I have this very soft colored pink seam binding, and we have these all roses themed chipboards. So you are getting two similar pieces. See, so pretty, and they are like good size pieces. And then I will show you. Okay, so first this one, I think I need to get some kind of paper here. Let me get something so you can see. This is the larger piece from the collection. This is second large. So this one also you have 2-piece sets. I will just turn it. So cute. And then next one is this one, where you can see this rose bouquet with some filigrees. And then there are another 2-piece small bouquet, and then there is another one which is smaller version of this one, you can see. All right, so these pieces are included in your kit. And now let's get started. Let's see what's in there. So homemade page, backside has this one. You can see floral bouquets, and you can see this, very cute. And then, oh my goodness, this page is so cute, very vintage looking and very shabby chic. And this is the signature thing of Mint, as I always mention, the door or window or some panels. You can see how cute. And there is a chair. You can see this lace, and the color is so pretty. It is like a very dusty, I don't know the color, what you call that. It is a different color. I don't know the name of this color, and I don't want to give any name which is not appropriate for this color, but you can see they are very light colored. Amazing. This hoop, I was almost thinking to add a small hoop in each kit, but I didn't find enough quantity, so I thought you can get hoop if you want to use it in any local art craft store. Backside has this polka dot, and you can see this big glass window, and there is a bench. Welcome home. All these beautiful things. Very nice. And there is some kind of panel here too, where like shelf. So cute. Backside has this, and all the hoops are here. Very cute. And this one has collage with rose bouquet and some scripts. And here all the flowers. Backside has these panels. So cute. Very pretty. I think we have to see like this one. Oh my goodness, very, very pretty. My favorite page. Amazing. And then we have this one, all the collage thing. Backside has all the frames, and again we are back on the same page. So pretty, right? This collection is to die for. Amazing collection. After so long I'm seeing such collection. So as I mentioned, I have limited quantity kits, so please go check it out on craftycity.com, and I'll see you soon. Stay safe. Bye for now.